table, the chips stacked against him, knowing what needed to be done. Nathan Neal Hears, like Michael Andre Edwards in Class 3 some years ago, has won gold for Jamaica College with 6.37 on his last jump. Brilliant performance.
And Patrickson of KCU was chasing gold unseated and has to settle for silver. Another silver. Silver in the high jump boys Class 3 and now silver in the long jump behind Hears of Jamaica College.
The psychological...
What a performance, Dwayne.
Yeah,
producing something of the sort which we are accustomed to seeing from Miltiadis Tentoglu. He loves to do it on his final attempt.
Clutch performance.
And the bronze, of course, going to Romario Franklin of Titchfield.
Yeah, taking the bronze back to the east, but the gold stays. The gold is with Jamaica College, and the hope reignited. This Jamaica College team are looking on course for the Mortimer Geddes Trophy.
Quite so, Dwayne. Let me make an exit and we welcome Renato Brown.
As we welcome Renato, we welcome the viewers, listeners, wherever you are. If you're just tuning in to coverage of the Boys and Girls Athletics Championship 2026 here at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. The fans, the supporters streaming in to the National Stadium.
Good afternoon, Dwayne. Good afternoon to everyone listening in, viewing right across the world for the ISSA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, day number 4 or 5. The Kingston College fans, students, supporters in the house now. And everyone rocking, the National Stadium rocking, but some to the Jamaica College tune. Fantastic completion to the points long jump. And we've seen those kind of outstanding performances right throughout this championship. And it is expected to continue deep into day 5. And everyone, well, I tell you what, not if you're a Kingston College or Jamaica College or maybe a Calabar supporter, but the neutrals would want the championship to go down to the 4x400 meter relay. That is what you want to decide championship. You don't necessarily want to go into Saturday's final day with a predetermined winner. And these boys from Jamaica College, from Kingston College, from Calabar, from the other institutions are keeping each other honest and ensuring that this championship will go into day 5. As I say, good afternoon to Bruce James and also Coach Maurice Wilson.
Good afternoon, Renato Brown, and to the rest of the world. Champs Friday has taken on a new meaning in the recent years, but Champs Friday is here. A number of the schools tell the kids that if they leave school at 1 o'clock, they can go straight to the National Stadium to support their respective teams. And here we see St. Andrew High School for Girls on screen. Again, the Cecilia Avenue girls representing very well at Champs this year. Let us see. Again, they probably were told they could wear non-uniforms today. Here, that's right at the border of the grandstand and the bleachers where we're seeing KC supporters. And as you know, we don't only see them, but we also hear them. So that's them in that corner, just past the 100-meter finish line. And we just saw the 200 meters all lined up now. Anything that happens today feeds into tomorrow's Super Saturday. There are some of the Calabar boys over there. And they're making their noise as well. So the main protagonists making sure that they're seen and heard.